You've seen the hype around AI agents. Everyone is talking about how they can research, code, organize your workflow, and basically act as your digital employee. But let's be entirely honest for a second. Have you actually tried running one of these agent frameworks yourself? If you have, you know the dirty little secret of the AI industry right now. The setup process is an absolute nightmare. You're dealing with configuring servers, messing with system images, connecting model APIs, and praying that a random Python dependency doesn't break your entire system. For 90% of people, the experiment dies right there in the terminal window. But what if you didn't have to do any of that? What if you could run powerful, autonomous AI agents directly from your web browser instantly with zero setup? Well, Baidu just made that a reality. They quietly dropped a platform called DuClaw, and it might just be the exact tool that pushes AI agents out of the developer space and into the mainstream. Welcome back to iGridLab, where we break down the bleeding edge of AI and tech. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now, let's talk about why DuClaw is such a massive deal. To really understand why DuClaw matters, we have to look at the engine powering it, OpenClaw. A while back, OpenClaw launched as this incredibly promising open-source AI agent platform. The idea was brilliant. Give agents the ability to retrieve information, coordinate complex workloads, and execute actions across different apps. And the tech world went crazy for it. In a single week, OpenClaw pulled in over 100,000 GitHub stars and saw around 2 million visitors. People were hyped, but then the momentum just kind of flatlined. Why? Because deployment was way too complicated. Developers were burning hours just trying to get the environment configured. They had to manually integrate the foundation models and constantly troubleshoot reliability issues. It was like buying a Ferrari, but having to build the engine yourself before you could drive it. The barrier to entry was just too high. Baidu saw this exact pain point and realized something crucial. The winner of the AI agent war isn't just going to be whoever has the smartest model. It's going to be whoever makes it the easiest to use. That is exactly where DuClaw comes in. Instead of asking you to download tools, tweak local settings, or deal with API keys, Baidu essentially said, "Don't worry about it, we'll host it." DuClaw runs entirely through a web interface powered by Baidu's AI cloud infrastructure. The second you open the dashboard, your fully managed OpenClaw environment is already live. No terminal, no coding required, you just start giving your agent tasks. But Baidu didn't just host the platform and call it a day. They essentially gave these agents superpowers right out of the box by wiring them directly into their massive ecosystem. When you boot up an agent in DuClaw, it already has built-in access to Baidu Search. It's plugged into Baidu Baike, which is basically China's version of Wikipedia, and Baidu Scholar for deep academic research. This means your agent isn't starting with a blank slate. It can immediately crawl the web, pull verified facts, and synthesize data without you having to build those search pipelines manually. And here is the absolute best part. You aren't locked into just one AI brain. DuClaw supports multiple foundation models. Depending on the task, you can switch between heavy hitters like DeepSeek, Kimi 2.5, GLM5, and Minimax. If you've been following the AI space, you know how incredibly capable models like DeepSeek are becoming right now. Having the ability to hot swap these models inside a pre-configured agent environment is a game changer. Now let's talk business, because Baidu is playing aggressive. They know they need developers and enthusiasts on this platform immediately to build an ecosystem. Normally, a managed cloud service like this would cost you around 142 Chinese yuan, or about $20 a month. But to push adoption, they rolled out an insane promo for March. First-time users can get on DuClaw for roughly $2.50 a month. That is literally the price of a cheap cup of coffee to get access to a fully managed multi-model AI agent environment. This pricing is part of a larger campaign to just flood the platform with users. And honestly, it's probably going to work. Lowering the barrier to entry like this means people with zero technical background can finally start experimenting with agents. But DuClaw is actually just a piece of a much larger puzzle for Baidu. Earlier this year, they launched a visual deployment solution for OpenClaw. But their biggest flex, during the Chinese New Year, Baidu quietly embedded OpenClaw directly into their main consumer app. To put that into perspective, the Baidu app has roughly 700 million monthly active users. They aren't just building tools for developers anymore. They are literally putting autonomous AI agents into the pockets of hundreds of millions of everyday people. The shift we are seeing right now is massive. We are moving away from the era of chatting with AI into the era of delegating to AI. By stripping away the deployment friction and putting everything into the browser, Baidu's DuClaw isn't just a cool new developer tool. It is a bridge connecting raw AI power with the everyday user. If they can maintain this level of ease of use while supporting top-tier models like DeepSeek, they might just become the default hub for AI agents globally. But I want to know what you guys think. Are you tired of the complicated setups for local AI? And would you use a browser-based agent like DuClaw? Let me know down in the comments below. I read every single one. If you found this breakdown helpful, drop a like on the video. It really helps out the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the tech that's shaping our future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.